Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to open Lloyds Bank account online. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to lloydsbank.com. Then scroll down until you see the Our Products section. Over here, click on Current Accounts. On this page, you will see different account options like Classic Account, Club Lloyds, Silver Account, and Platinum Account. Select the account you want to open. After that, click on the Ready to Apply button. Then choose if you're a new customer, existing customer, or want to open a joint account. If you're a new customer, click on Apply Now. Then you'll land on a new page. Tap on the Continue button. After that, you'll see a QR code. You can scan it with your phone to continue the process on mobile or continue on your PC or laptop. Now, answer if you're an existing customer by selecting No, then select Yes for making this your main account. After that, click Continue. Then fill in your details like first name, last name, gender, date of birth, phone number, and more. So that's basically how you can open Lloyds Bank account online. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.